Okay guys, so this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and today this video we're talking about updates on the world program. Like I said, the only risk is investing. Okay, you can never move beyond where you are. You can never make extra passive income if you are not able to risk something for yourself. If someone has made 1 million, they have risked at least 100,000. If someone has made $1 billion, they've risked at least $1 million. Sometimes they never knew they were going to get it back, but all you hear about is the success stories. Okay, this is how investing works. We've been looking at some of the profits. I'm just going to show you the testimonials from students. This student has made back 100% of the profits. Like I said, if you had started the work program with me the week that I brought it up, you would have already been making every single profit you made plus extra. This week you would already be making withdrawal. This is the 2nd of June 2024 that I'm recording this video, and this student started with me on the first week. Like I said, there are ways in the group where you can be making passive income every day without even investing. However, first you have to be able to invest in yourself. You can start with as little as $90 and be making $3 a day for the next 3 months. Or you can go all the way to 6,000 or 10,000 and be making $400 passively a day in a single day. So anyways, with that being said, I will show you from what this student has been getting. They've already withdrawn all their profits, and at this point they are withdrawing they've withdrawn all their investment, and at this point they are withdrawing profits. So first they withdrew $315. You add that, it's going to show up here so that you guys can add it yourself. Then $376. While you guys were wasting time, they were making withdrawals. It's still going to show up there. Some people were skeptical. The longer you wait, the riskier it is. Okay, that's how it is. You can be withdrawing profits every few days. Look, the first profit, they withdrew it on 22nd of 05 is January, February, March, May. Okay, so on the 22nd of May 2024, they withdrew $315. Nobody is holding your money. You can withdraw anytime you want. You are making money profit every single day, including Saturdays and Sundays. Today I've made over $200 passively. I'm still growing the scalping the account. We've already gone over 100% on that, but it took some months. Then on the, when was this? I think the 29th of May, they will made another $376 withdrawal. You see it up there. On the on the 2nd of June, they withdrew $270 again. On the 5th of June, they withdrew $450 again. On the 8th of June, they withdrew 8th of June, $530 again. On the 11th of June, they withdrew $740 again. On the 15th of June, they withdrew $540 again. On the 18th of June, they withdrew $605 again. On the yesterday, they withdrew what was yesterday? 21st, they withdrew another $715. Altogether, they have withdrawn, let me just show you all together how much they've withdrawn. We will do the calculation together. Let's see. We'll do the addition together. Yeah, it's on that phone. Okay, let me just use a calculator. But I'll show it up all the withdrawals that they've made. They still have withdrawals that are still pending. Okay, and that's profits they're already withdrawing. If you joined the first week, you would have already been withdrawing profits this week. If you joined the second week, you would have already been withdrawing profits either by the end of this week or next week, all through next week. So those people who took action, they are already making profits. While you were thinking you could have started with at least $90 to be making $3 a day to see if it is for you. You would have made your profits, you would have made your investment back, and you would have started withdrawing profits. Nobody is holding your money. If you want to withdraw the same day that you made profits, you can withdraw. If you want to withdraw the same day that you started, you can withdraw. Nobody is holding it for you. The longer you wait, the riskier it is. You have to be able to invest, and it's not by force. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Okay, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. I'll continue to make my profits, but for those who are interested, those who are new, those who are watching the videos, like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you join the Telegram link in the description below. And if you have any comments, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every single comment. You can also message me on Telegram, link in description below. And when you click subscribe, click all the notifications so that you can stay alert for shorts, live streams. I'll be doing live streams more. I can see that the market has started moving more and more. So next week I'll probably have more live streams, or the week after that maybe I'll start in July, or most probably I'll start in July. But let's calculate all these profits together. So we'll see how much they've withdrawn while you were wasting time, while you were being skeptical, while somebody told you that it wouldn't work. Meanwhile, they can't show you why it won't work. They did not help you make any money. They did not show you how to make any money. You know, people are withdrawing. They are telling you nonsense. You know, so yeah, let's calculate. So from 315, right, plus you can calculate it with me. Let's just say 375 plus 270 plus 450 plus 530 plus, you can see how the profits are piling up. 740 plus, we're already almost at 3,000, plus 540 plus let's just say 600 plus 715. Okay, so far they've withdrawn 4,535 and they still have another withdrawal pending. Okay, and at that point it's going to be over $5,000, and they are still going to make this over the next few months. When I told you it was guaranteed 200 to 300% profit, after the next 4 or 5 months, if you follow the instructions, because once you join, I'll join you into my world program group. It's a VIP group where I explain more how you can be making more passive income without even investing in anything. After about maybe 4 or 5 months, they could be making this without investing anything, if you follow exactly and do exactly what I do. I withdraw multiple times a week, and I tell the group every single thing I've been doing it for 4 months. I've made over 5 figures on it over those few months, and I'll show you exactly what I was doing. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, that's just an update on the World program. If you want to join the World VIP group, message me World on Telegram and I'll show you how to join. Like, share, and subscribe, and join the full Telegram group. We'll see you there soon. And yeah, I'll be going out. I've got some things to do, and we'll catch up in another video soon. See you guys soon.